Hey folks, my name is Jacob and I'm the Chief of Product at Check. It takes a lot of time and energy to stay on top of the business side of your operation, especially if you're just using pen and paper. Check not only automates your business, but it also helps you keep this high-level view on what's happening, helping you feel more in control of where you're headed. Let's take a tour through the Office tab, which makes all of that possible. Tap on the Office tab in the bottom right corner of your screen. That's the fourth tab there. And you'll notice at the very top, that top number you see is your total earnings for the selected month, along with the monthly dollar and percentage change compared to the previous month. Now, quick tip, at any point if you see that little question mark icon, you can tap on it for a quick overview of the calculation so you can understand how we are arriving at that number. As you continue to use Check, the graph will show up to 6 months of history. And to see what you earned in a specific month, you can simply tap on that data point above the month in question. Now, we are working on expanding that out from 6 months to much more time, so just bear with us. But in the meantime, you can see up to 6 months of your earnings. In the gray box beneath that, you'll see projected earnings, total earnings, and the amount owed. Now, projected earnings is calculated by adding up all of the jobs that have been completed or are scheduled to be completed for the month. This includes recurring jobs that aren't yet on your schedule but are projected to be based on the frequency that you set up. For example, a weekly job that has 4 occurrences in the month and it's worth $50 will add up to $200, and so your projected earnings will show $200 at the beginning of the month, just showing what you stand to make, assuming all the jobs get completed on time. Total earnings right below that reflects the total value of all jobs completed in that month. This is also the number that's at the very top of the dashboard that you'll see there, the $230 number. Total amount owed, that final number in the gray box, is the sum total of everything that your clients owe you. In accounting terms, these are your accounts receivable, or how much money is not in your bank but should be. Ideally, this number is always a big fat zero, and that means your clients are paying you immediately so you can put that cash to work. Accepting payments through Check eliminates accounts receivable, so go ahead and take a look at how to set that up in our other videos. Now, below the gray box, you'll see 3 helpful metrics, which are your current number of clients and properties, as well as the number of jobs that you've completed. So, if you're ever wondering how your business is doing, don't stress about it. Just tap that Office tab and let the numbers tell you. By having everything that you need in the Office tab to keep a pulse on your business metrics, you'll be able to make better decisions faster than ever.